everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I will be doing a product review and unboxing of this Trolls Brozone Band Together set, which is just so adorable. I got it from Amazon, and yeah, it has all the Brozone members from their younger era before they broke up. And yeah, it's so cute. Like, it comes with the whole gang. It comes with Bitty B when he's in his baby stage, his glasses and his perm, and Bruce, and yeah, it comes with Clay, John Dory, and Floyd, and it's so cute. And so yeah, I just wanted to do an unboxing, give a product review of this toy since I got it. I got it with one of my Christmas gift cards. So this is definitely worth it. Yeah, when I got this, it was like $13. It was like really cheap on Amazon like 2 weeks ago, 1 week ago. I don't know, but then I saw today it's like $18.99. So yeah, for its retail price now on Amazon for the US where I got it, it is like $18.99 now, kind of $20 range with all the other sellers stuff. So yeah, that's what you can expect. But it comes in this really cute packaging. Like, this would be adorable to even store. Like, even I was like, oh my gosh, should I just keep this? But I can't. Like, I need to take them out and play with them. But it's just so fun. Like it has like that little like diamond gem shape, like with the plastic on it, which is really cool. Since of course, like, it goes with the movie. And yeah, I think it's hilarious though how everything has Poppy and Viva for like marketing and all that, even though it's such a Branch and his brother themed movie. Like with Brozone, it's so funny how they're on everything, but I love that because they are like the cutest and most slay trolls ever, so I get it. But yeah, it's just really cute, really fun. So I'm excited to take it out, unbox, and show you guys. So yeah, I'll just do the unboxing real quick and get them out. And yeah, just behind me, as you can see, I have some other friends join us, some plushies and whatnot. Yeah, and then also you can see the comforter is the Trolls comforter I got from Walmart in my last haul. But yeah, I'm just so excited to unbox these. Let me just get on into that now, and I'll see you guys soon. So here they are in like the plastic packaging. And you see this orange part is a like stand piece to hold them all up, which is so cute because it's a little cassette, all retro, because they're, you know, like an older like boy band, 80s like kind of 90s style. So it's just so cute. I love it, and I think it's so adorable, the whole theme of NSYNC reunion boy band for Trolls 3. Like, love it. The music is amazing. So here we have the Brozone cassette stand piece. Hold up all the members, and I just think that's so cute and fun and adorable. Love the cassette. And yeah, like, do you guys collect physical media like cassettes and vinyls and stuff? Because I love collecting vinyls. Like, it's a thing I think I get from my dad and all that, and CDs, they're just the best. And DVDs, all that. And so yeah, like, oh, here I put Clay on the little stand, and like, yeah, you can see it holds him. That's so adorable and sturdy, so that's great. But I will show you all the members. And so yeah, here's Clay. The hairpiece is super cute, just so like original Troll. I love it. I love like the figure pieces and like what they're doing for the merch. I love this color green, as you can see. He totally matches me in my Queen Poppy outfit. I think it's super cute that he was like yellow to neon green, because like to me I headcanon that as like, you know, when your hair color changes, like as you get older, like blonde redhead or redhead blonde, stuff like that. Super cute. And so yeah, I love like the boy band outfit of like the white and like the little wristbands, things like that. So fun and cute. It's John Dory. Oh, he's such an icon. Love him, love his voice actor. And so yeah, you can see they have like the two stand pieces on both their legs, like the little holes for the stand. So that's super cute. Bruce. Oh, cute. The peace sign is adorable. And so yeah, they all have their little best outfits. Floyd is awesome. My hair color totally matches like all the Floyds. It's hilarious because I have like a darker hot pink right now. And so yeah, here's our little Floyd. He's such a cutie, and I think the lack of Floyd merch really sucks because he's like a fan favorite. So yeah, I love this little Floyd. They totally should have added him in the pom-pom set. It sucks that they didn't. But that's why I really honestly like unboxing and honest reviewing this. Totally recommend like this figure set because although it's like $20, it comes with all the Brozone members and most importantly Bitty B, like a Branch as a tiny little baby with his glasses and perm. Just so cute, like the size difference is adorable. But yeah, not only comes with him, but it comes with all the members and all the brothers. And in comparison to the keychains, which are like $10 each. So you get like 2 of them. And I guess it's really just your taste and how like you like them. Like if you're more of an adult, older collector, I think the pom-poms you'd like because like it's a reversible pom-pom cute like keychain for like your bags or your clothes, like to wear on like your belt, and it's just super adorable. But also it's a little figure, but it is like $10, whereas if you get 2 you're spending the 20, but you can spend that 20 and also get like all these brother members if you get this set instead. So yeah, like this set is really worth it, I think, for all the Brozone members. Like if you're just really into like collecting like all the different members and the trolls, I would definitely recommend getting this set. And all these figures are adorable, and as you could tell, these are the same figure. Like they're the same figure but different. Just this is a pom-pom, the pom-pom keychain. And of course, personally, I think for this size, like this hair like size works better. It just fits the doll better. And also like when you put them next to like my other trolls I've gotten, like they fit size too. So that's super cute. Like, you know, they're like similar in size. And yeah, they all have their little like inserts so you could like play with them on their play sets. But yeah, they're literally the same. Just this one is a little pom-pom keychain. And so yeah, I just really recommend this set if you're really into Brozone, really trying to collect them all. Yeah, because comparison to the pom-poms, these are pretty pricey. Yeah, I've only seen this on Amazon so far. I don't know what other people sell it, but yeah, I totally recommend setting that up. I don't know how limited it is, hopefully not too limited, but I think this is so worth it for you getting all of the like brothers. Like that's so cute. So I'm gonna try to like put them all on the stand real quick and I'll be right back. And yeah, I'll just show you how they all look. So here's the set. Oh my gosh, it is so adorable. And yeah, like it's not even put on a flat surface, but just the stand with little pegs itself is flat surface enough to hold them up. As you can see, like me moving it around, it's still good, so that's really awesome. It is just so cute. The Bitty B in the front is adorable with his glasses, and yeah, the way you could stare them in is perfect. Floyd is the only one who doesn't have like 2 little pegs in both the legs, because one of his legs is kind of up. But yeah, they're super cute. They stand so well. I totally recommend this set, like for all the characters you're getting, and for $20, that's so good. And yeah, just like if you're like really like more of a figure person, I don't know, like if you're gonna like really like them for the long run. But if you're more of like, I don't know, fashion accessory person, might just like one character, maybe the pom-pom's more worth it. And yeah, as you can see, these are like the same figures on the pom-poms for these Brozone members. Yeah, I don't know why they didn't make a freaking Floyd. He's not the same pink color as Poppy. Like, he's obviously like this like in between, you know, purple and pink, which is like a gorgeous color. And so yeah, like what the heck, why didn't they do that? Trolls merch, hop on it for the next pom-pom set. But yeah, this troll set is so adorable. The Brozone cassette stand is too cute and genius for, you know, their little era and Brozone members, all that. It just really fits. And so yeah, let me know what you guys think of this set. I definitely recommend, think it's worth it. You could go snatch it up on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. So yeah, I totally love this set. I'm so glad I got it with my money I got from my one of my godmothers. So thank you to my godmother, Maria, my Nina Maria. She gifted me this Brozone set as well as some other stuff for like school supplies. But either way, this was amazing. Like, oh my gosh, for the price it was, I definitely got it when it was like, I don't know if I'm tripping, but literally I saw it was like $15, but now I look and it's like 18. But yeah, recommend this. I totally would give it a 10 out of 10. Like just the designs, the coloring, like the way they're printed, they look really nice. The hair like pieces, sand. If it comes with the sand, like that's awesome. Like these other little mini ones didn't. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought of this product. I totally love it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great one. Bye!